Go-Go, the one, the only, Rusted Stone.
All right, this is Dan Petry Showcase 1 and 2. That's right, I got two YouTube channels. This is Rusted Stone out of Paso Robles, California, at the famous, world-famous, legendary Whisky A Go-Go in Hollywood on Sunset Strip.
How you doing tonight? We are Rusted Stone here to rock and roll with you tonight. Waiting for slaughter. We got some originals for you. This one's called I'm Alright. Thank you, you guys are awesome.
You guys are more awesomer.
Thank you. You guys are awesome.
No, I'm the drummer. I'm Jeff's wife. I'm Terry.
Oh, I do.
Doesn't matter what I say, it doesn't matter, it's a brown man, 'cause I'm hellbound, and it's up to you. Hellbound, I'm hellbound, and there's nothing you can do. You blame everyone for the rest. You're the one who makes the stress. You like the games, you like the pain. Step on back, 'cause you're driving me insane. I'm hellbound, and it's up to you. Hellbound, I'm hellbound, and there's nothing you can do. Okay. Don't worry, there could be more in the evening. There could be more. Stay tuned. So again, we're Rusted Stone, up from Central California coast. We play here about every other month, so keep your eyes tuned. If you like the songs that you hear, go on Pandora, go on Spotify, go on iMusic. All that stuff's there. This is another brand new one here. This one's called I Will Survive. Not to make you bleed. I know one thing or two about living free. This world is only turned back. Kicking the ass is what it needs. How will you survive? I am alive. You cannot regain, baby. How will you survive? Propaganda lies and fake news. It's a daily thing. Try to find what's real. Try to seek the truth. Hear both sides. Don't be led by the blind. Take your best way. Be a strong mistake. Live to die. I am alive. You cannot regain, baby. I will survive. How's everybody doing tonight? Are you guys rocking and rolling okay? Yeah! Awesome, awesome. You guys are doing awesome for us tonight. So let me go, before we go any further, let me introduce the band. So on my far right, pounding those strings like only he knows how, Mr. Greg Lindsay on bass. Then just to my immediate right, hitting those skins like they just took his lunch money, Mr. Jeff Gibbs on the drum side. Me, myself, and I, Sean, and we make Rusted Stone, baby, Rusted Stone. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Hope you guys remember us next time. I've been around this world and I've seen some things. One thing that I know, a man gotta be. Stand out for to himself and get one shot. This world ain't that fair. It is meant to have. Live to God. You cannot redeem, baby, 'cause I will survive. I will survive. I am alive. You cannot redeem, baby. Thank you.
That's the band I'm with. Rusted Stone. I'm from Paso Robles. Are you with the next band? When you play bass?
No, I just.
Oh, for Slaughter? For Rob Slaughter? You do the video for Slaughter?
No, for Crocodile Radio.
Oh, they're next after these, and then Slaughter.
Well, they're next, and then there's one more.
Who's ready for Slaughter?
That's not Rob's.
You know, it's not very often Slaughter gets out in California.
Right. Yeah, these guys have 3 or 4 original albums, really good.
That's not it, goddammit.
Oh, there goes my sensor. We just went to rate R.
It's called rock and roll.
We just went to R-rated.
Oh, shit.
Now it's not suitable for kids on YouTube. No. I got 2 copyright strikes. I gotta stay clean for 90 days. Yeah. It'll be eventually.
Squad in the house.
Gotta live by the law.
Oh, you said 45 minutes? They're set 45 minutes.
We got 2 more for you tonight.
There you go.
This next one's called The Regulators. Actually, it's not. Hold on. Alright, we will fucking rock hard for you the next 2 goddamn songs. Fuck! This one's called The Regulators! Come on! Here we go, here we go. A long time ago, from not so far away, an old man told me a story from back in the day. He said to back in place, and I got something to say. No one ever died, now I think I'm right. The story starts with 4 bad brothers living lots of life. They go from town to town, regulated with the fight, taking no shit, and no one ever comes inside. Heroes by the day, lovers by the night. Here comes the regulators. There comes the new. Here comes the regulators. Love brothers till the end. Man told me every story that he could. I remember everyone just like I really should. I was on the wrong time, but then it's understood. Regulators always fighting for the good. But some people may say the story ain't that true. Those people just ain't got a damn clue. Latinos have the very, very tightest crew. Legends with cigars, caballeros too. Here comes regulators. Here comes regulators. Here comes regulators. Love brothers till the end. Here comes regulators. What you do, what you do. Here comes regulators. Love you, love out. Hi! Just watch out for those regulators, baby. What'd you think? Do you like that one? We got one more for you tonight, then we gotta make way. But there's a couple more strong rock bands right after us, and then the night was Slaughter, baby.
You guys slaughtered them. Thanks. Thank you.
So again, don't forget about us. Did we do good for you guys tonight? Who needs a CD? Who needs a CD? There might be more. There might be more. I don't know.
Here comes the rhythm. Is that song bad or what?
By the way, if I hit anybody in the face with those, it's not my fault, goddammit. All right, we got one more for you. If you like us, go on Facebook, Instagram, like us. If you really like us, go on Pandora, Spotify, and Apple Music. We are Rusted Stone. This one's called American Sand. Broken homes, broken dreams, American sounds, everything. You want to die, let it go. Fingers strong, we will bow. American, American dream. Say it again. American dream. American sin, thing you can't win. It's American sin. I'm working hard to pay my bills, check to check is how I live. Corporations make the rules for the average man. Stays in cash. American, American sin. Say it again. American sin. Let it begin. American sin. No one will win. It's American sin. Sing it out! Oh yeah! American, American sin. Say it again. American sin. Let it begin. American sin. No one will win. That's American. American, American sin, baby. Thank you, Whisky, and go! We are Rusted Stone.
You heard the man. Put your hands together for him. Rusted Stone in the house, baby. Take a bow, gentlemen. Take a bow. Hell yeah, Rusted Stone. Right here, baby. Up next,
Yeah.
Prima Donna Rising. Yeah, baby. Stick around later on tonight. We do got the Almighty Slaughter, Dead, Fervor, merch upstairs. 3 bars, 2 down, 1 up. The motto of the night is: the more you drink, the better the sound.
All right, this Dan Petry showcase. That was Rusted Stone from Paso Robles, the world famous legendary
Up next, Prima Donna Rising.
Whiskey a Go-Go on Sunset Boulevard in Hollywood, California. Blowing it up. Great sound tonight. Sound guy did a fantastic job. All right. Peace, America, and the world. Enjoy.